Hello students. So now we are going to for the Cyclic Test 3 examination. This was a 50-mark paper. It contains 5 questions of 10 marks each, and every question contains 3 further sub-questions. So let us start. Question number 1a. Factorize a square minus 3a minus 40. So we know this is a trinomial. First term consists of square term. Second term has single power. Third term does not have a variable. So we know we have to solve it using splitting the middle term method. So product of first number and third number. So 1 into minus 40 gives us minus 40. Now you have to think of two numbers which when multiplied give you minus 40 and their sum has to be equal to minus 3. So on factorization, we get the numbers as minus 8 and plus 5. So we have a square minus 8a plus 5a minus 40. We take a common from the first two terms. So we have a into a minus 8 plus 5 into a minus 8. Take a minus 8 common overall. So we have a minus 8 into a plus 5. The answer statement is a minus 8 and a plus 5 are the factors of a square minus 3a minus 40. I hope you've understood this question. Moving on to the second question. We are given a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 35. ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 23. So using a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. We will substitute the values. So we'll get a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square is 35 plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca, which is 2 into 23. So we have a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to 35 plus 46, that is equal to 81. Now taking square root on both the sides, we have a plus b plus c is equal to plus or minus 9. So the answer statement is a plus b plus c is equal to plus minus 9. Going on to the third question, we are given 2 by x plus 2 by 3y is equal to 1 by 6 and 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 0. So since the variable is in the denominator, we are going to use substitution to solve this. We'll let 1 by x be a and 1 by y be b. So 2 into 1 by x plus 2 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 1 by 6. So we substitute 1 upon x as a and 1 upon y as b. So we have 2a plus 2b by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. When you take LCM, so you get 6a plus 2b the whole upon 3 is equal to 1 by 6. So 6a plus 2b is equal to 3 by 6. That implies 6a plus 2b is half. You multiply both, rather divide both the sides by 2, you get 3a plus b is equal to 1 by 4. Number it equation number 3. Going on to the second equation, 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 0. So you substitute 1 upon x as a, 1 upon y as b. So we have 3a plus 2b is equal to 0, equation number 4. Now you will subtract equation 3 from equation 4. So we have 3a plus 2b is equal to 0, 3a plus b is equal to 1 by 4, minus minus minus. So we have 3a minus 3a cancels. 2b minus b is equal to 0 minus 1 by 4. We have b is equal to minus 1 by 4. Substitute it in equation number 3. We have 3a plus minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. We have 3a is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 3a is equal to half. A is equal to 1 by 6. Resubstituting, so a is equal to 1 upon x, so that means 1 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon x is equal to 6, 1 upon y is equal to minus 1 upon 4, so when you cross multiply you get y is equal to minus 4. So the answer statement is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 4. Moving on to the second question, question 2a. We are given factorize 24a cube plus 37a square minus 5a. So we are going to take a common from all the three terms because a is common in all three of them. We have a into 24a square plus 37a minus 5. Again splitting the middle term inside the bracket. So 24 into 5 is 120. We have two numbers जिनको multiply करने पे -120 आए and their sum should be equal to 37. So the numbers are 40 and -3. So 24a square plus 40a minus 3a minus 5. You take 24 and 40 both are divisible by 8. A square and a में से I'll take a common. So we have a into 8a bracket 3a plus 5 minus 1 common 3a plus 5. We have a bracket 8a minus 1 bracket 3a plus 5. So the factors of 24a cubed plus 37a square minus 5a are a, 8a minus 1 and 3a plus 5. I hope you understood this, students. Moving on to the next question. We are given a square minus 5a plus 1 is equal to 0. And we have to find the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. Now, since we require a in the denominator, what I'm going to do for that is I will divide both the sides by a. So I have a square minus 5a plus 1, the whole upon a is equal to 0. So a square upon a gives us a, minus 5a upon a minus 5 plus 1 upon a is equal to 0. So we have a plus 1 upon a is equal to 5. Squaring both the sides, so I get a plus 1 upon a the whole square is equal to 5 square, which is 25. So a plus 1 upon a the whole square is a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 into a into 1 upon a is equal to 25. So a square plus 1 upon a square plus a and a will get cancelled plus 2 is equal to 25. So a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 25 minus 2, which is 23. So we have the value of a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 23. I hope you've understood this question as well, students. Next, the mean of 20 students is 20. If 10 is, if rather 2 is added to the first 10 in numbers, find the mean of 20 numbers. Find the new mean of 20 numbers. So the number of students n is given to us as 20. The original mean is 20 as well. So we know the formula for mean is sum of all observations upon number of observations. Therefore, 20 is equal to sum of all observations upon 20. Therefore, original sum of all observations would be 20 into 20, which is equal to 400. So the original sum of all observations is equal to 400. Since 2 is added to first 10 observations, the new sum of all observations would become the original sum 400 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 10 times. So 400 plus 2 into 10, which is 400 plus 20, which is 420. So therefore, new mean would be new sum of all observations upon number of observations. So new mean would be 420 upon 20, which is 21. Therefore, the new mean of all observations is 21. I hope you all have understood this question as well, students. Moving on, question 3a. The question states 7 times a 2-digit number is equal to 4 times the number obtained on reversing the order of digits. So let the digit at units place be x and tens place be y. So the original number becomes 10 into y plus x, which is 10y plus x. And the number that you will obtain on reversing the digits would be 10 into x plus y, which is 10x plus 1. Now, according to the given question, 7 times the original number, that is 7 into 10y plus x, is equal to 4 times the number obtained on reversing the order of digits. So we have 70y plus 7x is equal to 40x plus 4y, y on one side, x on one side. So we have 70y minus 4y is equal to 40x minus 7x. So 33x is equal to 66y. 33x minus 66y is equal to 0. Divide both the sides by 33, you will get x minus 2y is equal to 0. So since x minus 2y is equal to 0, it implies that x is greater. That means the digit at units place is greater. Therefore, in difference, Since the difference between them is given to us as 3, we will take x minus y as 3. That gives us equation number 2. We will subtract, once again, yes. Next, we are going to subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So we will have x minus y is equal to 3, x minus 2y is equal to 0. When you subtract, the signs will change. So this is minus plus minus. X minus x cancels. Minus y plus 2y is equal to y. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. We have y is equal to 3. Substituting the value of y in equation 2, we will have x minus 3 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 3, which is 6. So now you have to find the original number. So the original number would be 10 into 3 plus 6, which is 30 plus 6, which is 36. So answer statement, the original number is 36. I hope you've understood the question, students. In the next question, you will first have to name the triangle. So A, B, C, and the bottom point would be D. So according to the given question, angle ABC is equal to y plus 10 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 3x minus 10 degree. Angle DBC is equal to 2y minus 25 degrees. And angle DCB is equal to 2x plus y. Sorry, 2x plus 5 degree. You can name the triangles according to your wish. You can name them anything. So in triangle ABC and triangle DBC, you can observe AB is equal to BD is given. AC is equal to CD is also given to us. So AB is equal to BD given, AC is equal to CD given, and BC is a common side for both the triangles. So all the three sides of the two triangles are equal. So therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBC with the SSS axis. So since the two triangles are proven to be congruent, we can say angle ABC will be equal to angle DBC. Reason, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. So therefore y plus 10 is equal to 2y minus 25. So we have 2y minus y is equal to 10 plus 25, which is 35 degrees. So y is equal to 35. Now for x, again corresponding angles of congruent triangles. This time we will take ACB and DCB. So angle ACB is equal to angle DCB. 3x minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 5. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 10 plus 5, which is 15. So the final answer statement is x is equal to 15 degree and y is equal to 35 degree. I hope you've understood this answer as well, students. Moving on to the next question, you have to draw a histogram. The data given to you is the class intervals are 0 to 12, 12 to 24, 24 to 36, 36 to 48, and 48 to 60. The frequency given to you is 12, 16, 15, 10, 18. So now once you've drawn the table, you will move on to the graph. So in the graph, you will draw the y-axis and the x-axis. Since we have 5 class intervals, we can take 3 centimeter gap in them. So we have on x-axis 3 centimeter is equal to 1 class interval, which is 12 units. And on y-axis, our highest value is 18. So we can take a gap of 2 centimeter between every two values. So 2 centimeter is equal to 2 units on y-axis. So you will accordingly write the class intervals on the x-axis and the frequencies on the y-axis. The frequency for 0 to 12 is 12. So you'll go to 12 on 0 and 12 on 12. You will make a straight line, draw a rectangle. Then from 12 to 24, it is 16. So you'll go to 16 on 12. You'll go to 16 on 24, draw a rectangle. 24 to 36, it is 15. So you'll go to 15 on 24, you will go to 15 on 36. You'll draw a rectangle. Then for the next class interval 36 to 48, it's 10. You'll go to 10 on 36, you'll go to 10 on 48. So 36 to 48, it is 10. And next 48 to 60, the frequency is given to us as 80. So we'll draw a rectangle. I hope you've understood the histogram as well, student. Do not forget to mention the scale in that. Moving on to the next question, question 4a. Simplify using identity. 2x plus 3y into 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square. So in the first bracket, we have 2x plus 3y. We're going to express the terms of the second bracket in terms of 2x and 3y. So we can say 4x square is 2x the whole square. Minus 6xy becomes minus of 2x into 3y. Plus 9y square becomes 3y the whole square. So you can compare this in place of 2x if you take a, and in place of 3y if you take b. So this becomes a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We know it, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is the formula for a cube plus b cube. So 2x plus 3y into 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square is equal to 2x the whole cube plus 3y the whole cube, which is 8x cube plus 27y cube. So the answer is 2x plus 3y into 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square is 8x cube plus 27y. Moving on. The question states the mean, question 4b, the mean of 2, 12, 4, 9, 5 and 16 is x. And the median of 4, 3, x minus 1, 12 and 16 is y. Find the values of x and y. So first we can find x. We know the observations are 2, 12, 4, 9, 5 and 16. The mean is sum of all observations upon number of observations. So we can say x is equal to 2 plus 12 plus 4 plus 9 plus 5 plus 16, the whole upon 6. So x is equal to 48 upon 6. Therefore x is equal to 8. Now once you have the value of x, substitute it in the second set of observations. So we have 4, 3, x is 8. X minus 1 is 8 minus 1, 7. So 4, 3, 8, 7, 12, 16. So in ascending order, it would be 3, 4, 7, 8, 12, 16. So the number of observations n is equal to 6. Since n is even, median is half of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So y is equal to half of 6 by 2th observation plus 6 by 2 plus 1th observation. So half of third observation plus fourth observation. So third observation is 7, fourth observation is 8. So half of 7 plus 8, which is 15 by 2, which is 7.5. So the answer statement is x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7.5. I hope you understood this as well, students. Next question is again from mean and median. The weight of 12 students in kg are 40, 61, 54, 50, 59, 37, 51, 41, 48, 62, 46 and 34. Find the median weight. So in ascending order, when you arrange them, you will write 34, 37, 40, 41, 46, 48, 50, 51, 54, 59, 61 and 62. The number of observations is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So n is equal to 12. Since n is even, median would be half of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So half of 12 by 2th observation plus 12 by 2 plus 1th observation. So half of 6th observation plus 7th observation. So half of 48 plus 50. 6th observation, as you can see out here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth is 48. 7th is 50. So half of 48 plus 50, which is half of 98, which is equal to 49. So therefore, median is 49 kgs. Then given 62 kg is replaced by 35 kg. So the observations in ascending order become 34, 35, 37, 40, 41, 46, 48, 50, 51, 54, 59, and 61. So the number of observations n is equal to 12. Since n is even, the formula remains same. So half of 12 by 2 plus 12 by 2 plus 1th observation. It is half of 6th observation plus 7th observation. So now the 6th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 46. Seventh one is 48. So half of 46 plus 48 is half of 94, which is 47. So the new median will be 47. I hope you've understood this question, students. Going on to the next question, question number 5. The first part is 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 2. So equation number 2. It is given you have to solve by substitution method. So you will consider any one of the equations. The easier equation is obviously the second one. So we can say y is equal to 2x plus 3. Number it equation number 3. Now you will substitute the value of y in the equation that was not considered. So 3x minus 5 into y is 5 into 2x plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 5 2s are 10x minus 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 10x is minus 7x minus 14 equals 0. 7x is equal to minus 14. X is equal to minus 2. Now once you have the value of x, you will substitute it in equation number 3. So y is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 3, which is minus 4 plus 3. So y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the value of x is minus 2 and y is minus 1. Pretty straightforward question. I hope you understood this, students. Going on to the next question. So in the given figure, angle AC is given to us as 75 degrees. Angle CBD is equal to x. That is also given to us. So we'll take that as equation number 1. So CD is equal to BC. This is given. Okay. So now if CD and BC are equal, okay, the angles opposite to them will also be equal. So therefore you can say angle CBD will be equal to angle CDB. Therefore angle CDB is also equal to x from equation 1 and 2. Now in triangle ADC, AD is equal to CD is given to us. Therefore, we can say angle CAD is equal to angle DCA. Again, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So let angle CAD and DCA be equal to Y. So angle CAD plus angle DCA is equal to angle CDB. Exterior angle property, which states that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So y plus y is equal to x. So 2y is equal to x. So y is equal to x by 2. Now angle DCE is equal to angle ACE plus DCA. So DCE is equal to 75 plus y. So in triangle BDC, angle CBD plus angle CDB is equal to angle DCE. Again, exterior angle property. So x plus x is equal to 75 plus y. So 2x is equal to 75 plus y. So substituting y is equal to x by 2, you get 2x is equal to 75 plus x by 2. You take LCM, so 2x is equal to 150 plus x the whole upon 2. So 4x is equal to 150 plus x. 3x equals 150, x is equal to 50. So therefore, the value of x is 50. I hope you've understood this. Last question, students. You need to draw a frequency polygon. The ages of doctors are given. The range is 5 years, so 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 45, 40 to 45, and 45 to 50. The number of doctors in each range is given to us 40, 60, 50, 35, and 20. So since we need to draw frequency polygon, we will have to mark the middle point of every class, comma, the frequency of every class. So the middle point of every class is nothing but its class mark. So we can find the class mark, lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So 25 plus 30 upon 2, which is 55 upon 2, which is 27.5. Now once you have the first class mark, you can find all the class marks. You just need to go on adding 5. So the difference between 25 and 30 is of 5. So 27.5 plus 5 gives us 32.5, plus 5 gives us 37.5, plus 5 gives us 42.5, plus 5 gives us 47. So now we have all the class marks with us as well. We can draw them on a graph paper. Now, since we need to draw 5 class intervals on the x-axis, we can take 2 centimeters is equal to 5 units. The units is yours on x-axis. And the highest value on y that we need to go till is 60. We can say 2 centimeter is equal to 10 doctors on y-axis. So you draw y-axis, you draw the x-axis, you mark all the values on them. Now, since the first class interval is not starting from 0, okay, we will take the difference between the first lower limit of first class and 0. So 25 minus 0 is 25, and the upper limit and lower limit of first class, so 30 minus 25 is 5. Since this difference is not equal, we will put a crink mark. So now we'll go about plotting the points. So the first point would be 27.5, 40. So 27.5, 40. Second would be 32.5, 60. So 32.5, 60. Third is 37.5, 50. 37.5, 50. Then 42.5, 35. Then 47.5, 20. And since a frequency polygon always starts and ends on a point on the x-axis, what we will do is we will mark the first point, we'll mark it half a class ahead of 25, so over here, and the last point you will mark half a class after the highest value. So 1 centimeter after 50, so 0 comma 52.5, 1 centimeter before 25, which is 0 comma 22. Once you have plotted all the points, you will use a scale and join them, and your frequency polygon will be ready. I hope you have understood all the questions, students. Thank you so much.